Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace suspension arm bushing in VW Golf, Rabbit, Jetta and EOS 5th and 6th generation. It's a good alternative for new control arms, is replacing just these bushings. First thing is to secure the vehicle to prevent any movement. Jack up front of the car and put some jack stand underneath. Take off front wheels. We have to remove side lower splash shield. Remove torque screws and pull down shield. Now we have access to all bolts. Two M12 18mm hex flange, 2 M10 bolt 16mm hex flange, and 3 nuts M10 16mm hex head. Take metal wire brush and clean thread on bolt joint bolts from sand and dust. It's worth to use some penetrating spray. Crack all the nuts and bolts with breaker bar. Good. After that we can take off suspension arm from the car. Just slide down control arm from ball joint bolts. Pull towards wheel side. Suspension arm will come right out. Install suspension arm in vise. Turn couple times, make some loose, use a bit of force and pull. One is out. To remove second bushing, we use M10 bolt, socket 50mm, nut and 2 washers. Look, actually I create special bushing removal tool. While tightening, bolt moves bushing into 50mm socket. Easy. Now it's time to install new one. Use some grease to make fitting easier. To fit small one, we will use again M10 bolt, socket, nut and 2 washers. Tight the bolt until bushing flange touch the edge of the suspension arm. Remove socket and bolt. Using small flathead screwdriver, release bushing flange. Back one with aluminium bracket, just put on suspension arm and push forward. Time to put it back everything together. Install suspension arm in car. If necessary, use a hammer to fit it in the right position. Tight all bolts and nuts. Fit splash shield and screw it down. Pull wheel back and leave the car down. Job done.